Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel with another tutorial. So today we'll learn how to create a portfolio website, multi-page portfolio website by using Elementor. So this is our website. We can make like something like this. So this is a portfolio website. You can make in Elementor these animations. So find a product qualities, these all the stuff if you want to create using Elementor. So today we'll learn how to create this channel. So please connect it with us end of the video. So today we'll learn how to create this. If you are new our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have already subscribed, please thumbs up our video for latest and more content. So we have a lot of pages, these all pages, the context. So we are using Elementor toolkit. So here's our website. This is our fresh website. So let's start it. So first we need to go to our website. So here's our website. So this is a fresh website. So we need plugins that name is Elementor Pro, Elementor, and we need a portfolio template. So here is a link in description. You just download this portfolio, Potasia Creative Portfolio template.kit. So download from here, and it's safe in your file storage. So I have already downloaded in zip format. So the next step is we need to install Elementor plugin. So go to plugins, type Elementor. Is already installed. You just need to update. Once the Elementor is updated, so just need to go to install plugin. So Elementor already installed, just activate. So currently skip all these steps, skip, 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 skip. So go back. Close. So Elementor is activated successfully. Now we need to activate Elementor Pro. Just click on activate. So both plugins is now activated. So the other plugins we don't have a need for now. So just these two plugins is activated successfully. So the next step is import our site kit. Go to Elementor temp menu, kit library. So if you have already imported, so it's showing in the menu. If you have using this is demo. If you want to this, we just click the demo and apply kit. So click on apply kit, it's automatically apply. So if you want to need Elementor Pro and Elementor portfolio, so link in description available for Elementor Pro 3.14.1 file, and this is also available. This is not a null plugin, so this is fully safe for use. So you just download from there and you can use it. So now you can go back here. So go to Elementor kit library. So here's the button of import kit. Just click import kit. So choose your file. So which is we have downloaded in the download folder, Potassium Creative. So click here and open. So don't just continue. So all the templates and site setting is import. Just click import, enable. It's take hardly 2-3 minutes to import the whole kit of library. So our your kit is now live on your site. So our kit is now live. See it live. Let's see it's live is fine or not. Oh, it's not fine for now. It's nothing to import. No. So close now. So the next step is go to your templates, save templates. So you can see all the templates imported here. So let me show you the template, how we can use these templates. So let me Oh, this is a whole site setting is broken. So template is imported. So now what we need. So the next step is this is a this is something warning message. So just ignore that. So go back to here. Click need to update the themes. Go to themes. So it's activated this. We just need to activate hello Elementor. This is a free theme. You just need to update. If you want to update the theme, just simply press the update. Now theme is activated. Go to here, reload. Something is different now. Theme layout something different. So it's looking like something like this, looking like a wow. So let's start it now. Our next step is create pages. So just add a new page. So name is home. Publish it. Now add it with Elementor. So our home page is imported. So just little some basic setting, hide the title. So just update. So import, oh sorry, so click on templates, my templates. So import the home. So Patricia home, this one, click insert. So our home page is important. So the missing is our header and our footer. So both are missing. So just update that page. So let's go to here, our websites, just reload that website. Oh, we need to set up our home page. So go to setting, writing, oh sorry, reading. Just something like sometime you can just miss that. Save change. Once you create a blog page, you set a blog page. You just go back to above and reload your home page. So our home page is now set. We are missing what we are missing our footer and header. So let's go back, go to templates, add new templates. So set is let me check the header, all the sections. So go to header. So this is the default header. Let me check that header default. What is the default? So here's the default header of our theme. So let's what we need. This is already type is header. So just add it with Elementor and set the display condition. So just go to here, display condition, add condition, entire set. Just save and close. So menu is missing. Currently we don't have any menu on our website. So just click here, open new tab. So create a menu, main menu. As usual, we have created always a main menu. Why I don't know, but we always type name is main menu. So add a home page, and because we have currently one menu, so just go back to here and reload this one. So click on there, it's automatically set a main menu. So we just default setting. If you want to change the setting, change the logo, you can just click. And this is a basic Elementor tutorial how to manage these things. You find in our YouTube channels the different tutorials how to use Elementor and how to related Elementor things. So just go back to here and just reload our website. So now our website header is imported, home page is selected. Now need to time of our footer. The same steps like header, how to set up footer. Just click on footer. So this is a default footer. Click add it with Elementor. So this is our default footer. We just set our display condition, add a condition, save and close. So our footer also set. Just go back to our website and reload. So go back. So our footer is set for all the sites. You can just change the links of according to you. You just change the number, email according to your. So our animation you can see is also imported. This is our home page how to import. So for other pages you just follow these all the steps. Let me open one more page. So like about. So go to pages, same scenario. Go back, add a new page. Name is about. Publish it. Now add it with Elementor. Go to menu, reload the page. This one, about is here. Add to menu and save changes. Go to back here. You just this one, my templates. Find the about. This here's the about page. Just insert. So about is inserted, so need to remove the header. Just go to setting and hide the title and update. So you just change the text according to your requirements. If you want to color theme, you can just change it here. So this is a setting of our website. So this is a primary green. So if you want to whole site primary color change, so you don't need to change there, you just globally set in Elementor setting. So how to change these things? Just go to here. If you want to kit library, you can see your kit library. Oh sorry, I'm on the wrong part. So go back, go to our Elementor any page if you have added. So go to click on site setting, global colors. So here's all the colors is set already. If you want to change your color according to your requirement, so just change the color here, change the color here. These all the global set. This automatically theme. This is a primary color. If you want to change this one, secondary color, default gray, primary dark. These all the colors. If you want to change the globally, so this is a globally set the fonts and globally custom fonts. If you want to change anything else, so you can globally set for the whole website if you want to according to your requirements. So these are the basic requirement how to create a header, footer, portfolio website by using our Elementor theme kit. So if you want to once again, if you want to portfolio, link in description, and also Elementor Pro link in description. You want to use that portfolio, so just download. If you want to create something different, you can edit these all the templates and something like this. So thank you very much. If you like our video, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channels for latest and more contents. Bye bye.